What's up, guys? It's a little early in my house today, and if you can't tell by the title of the video, we're going to someplace super awesome, and we're gonna do it in style. Take my dad's car. Let's go. She hates me right now. You? So that was about an hour drive. I am just about to exit, and I'll show you guys where we're. Well, you guys already know, but I'm excited. I always wanted to buy something from them, and today's the day. I'll show you guys what we get. Pretty cool JDM piece, so I'll show you guys when we get there. Officially have made it to the Upgarage USA warehouse. Sort of warehouse, but we're gonna go over there. Finally, I've been waiting for this for a long time. RE and Mamiya exhaust for the RX-7. I didn't really get to film inside. There's kind of not much to see. They're still developing and getting everything ready, so I didn't film inside, but you know, the car did good. The transaction was easy. Rika helped me out. She told me she didn't want to be on camera, so that's okay. Not everybody does. But first stop done. Next, we're gonna go to a great place to go eat. It's something that we like to go every time we're around the area, so we're gonna go there and then maybe pick up something else after. But I'm excited to put this on. I've been eyeing it for a while, and I got it for a really good deal, so just needs a good cleaning, but it's authentic. And of course, gotta show off the car every now and then. I don't know how I'm gonna fit the exhaust in. The G35's not that big, but we'll make it work. I'll see you guys and show you guys what we eat in a few minutes. So Rika's actually giving me the opportunity to film the office, so that'd be cool. As long as she's not in it. Thank you so much. That's okay. Good morning, sunshine of my life.
Good morning.
And why are you here today with me? How did I convince you to come with me on a car parts run?
You didn't. I just came.
The only reason why she's coming with me is because I bribed her with two things. Her two favorite things. Naps and bomb food.
Yeah, I guess I came. I came for the food. I guess.
Dang, she's fake. She's not a real ride or die.
I'm hungover. I'm tired.
Tell me, how many hours did you sleep last night knowing that we had to wake up early?
I went to sleep at 6 something.
And we left at 8. Kind of 8:30 because someone was sleepwalking. What is this place called? They can't see it. But we're at Mariscos. That's my own fault. I got so used to saying it like that. We're at Mariscos, Las Palmas de Colima. Say that right?
See.
We're here to eat bomb seafood. We only come here because it's in Long Beach and we don't live close to Long Beach.
Baby,
So-
this is not Long Beach.
Huh? It's Los Angeles?
It's Compton.
We're in Compton. But yeah, we're gonna go order. I'll show you guys what we get when we come back to the car. Let's eat with your ball sack.
Ew, don't record my ball sack.
This place is so bomb. Guys, if your girlfriend ever says, I don't know what I want, I finally found where they sell it. You order that? You can't use that kind of language in these YouTube vlogs, okay? That's messed up.
You can't understand me.
What the heck? So guys, come here if your girlfriend says, I don't know what I want. 8. Dang, you didn't even wait for me to start? Dang. So these are, what are they?
Shrimp tacos?
Shrimp tacos. We got a whole bunch of stuff because they also have like a little candy store. We got some candy, ceviche, shrimp tacos, milkshake, and some canned Coke. You gotta finish it with the canned Coke because that's the best part. We're gonna f this up more. Oh, see, now you got me swearing too.
Sorry.
We're gonna eat this real quick.
I'm gonna beat it up.
I'll update you guys with the rating. But we've been here before, so bomb. I'll be back. And we're back. After spending almost the whole day driving around picking up car parts, we finally made it home. Next step is to clean this bad boy so we can get it ready to put on the car. I don't think I'm gonna put it on the car today just because I want to do a sound comparison between what I have on it now and what this sounds like. I think this is gonna be much quieter, but I honestly love RE and Mamiya brand and the fact that they have this really cool dolphin tail, which is what they call this exhaust. But like, this is very unique to RE and Mamiya, so let's go clean her up. Hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. That's all the time I have today. She's looking a little bit more cleaner. I'll probably polish it up off camera. I want to give a special thanks to Rika Upgarage in the California location. She made everything easy, smooth transaction, everything was fast. She was super nice. Thank you so much, Upgarage and Rika. On a side note, I also want to say I've been playing a lot of video games lately with the quarantine going on and everything. So here are a few clips from that, and if you guys want to add me, I'll leave my PSN in the description. It's on PS3, so thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
Friendly care package on the way. Friendly care package on the way.